Hello everyone, my name is Frank. This is going to be my first video posting. Please bear with me. I'm just using an iPhone 12. I have no camera equipment. Just trying to start getting into this, doing this stuff. I got a 2014 Chrysler 200 with 3.6 liter that had a p0301. Went through all the normal diagnostic procedures. I was getting fuel, getting fire, even had compression. Couldn't figure out what was going on. So I was preparing to do a cylinder leak down check. I was pulling a valve cover to make sure everything top dead center. And when I did, I found this little problem right here on the intake camshaft for number one cylinder. The lobes are completely worn down to round. They're not egg-shaped anymore. So if you have a problem like this and you can't seem to figure it out, pull your valve cover, check your camshaft, because I don't know if this is a common problem on these Chrysler 3.6 liters, but it may be something similar to that. Now I haven't dug in to see what actually caused it, to see if it maybe a loose or stuck valve or a stuck lifter, but just wanted everybody just to see this, to see what could be a problem with it. If you have a problem doing a diagnostics on a single cylinder misfire on a Chrysler 3.6 liter. And I hope that helps out everybody. Thank you.